Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. It is hard to believe it is the middle of May already. I'm just now shooting my first yard video. I've been super busy, but I'm fixing to get a real mow on with the Allett Buckingham 30H. This, believe it or not, this is my second mow with that of the season, and second real mow of the season actually. I've been maintaining for the past month and a half with my Honda rotary, so I'm looking forward to getting back on the reel. Probably not this one for the season, but the C24, I believe I'm about to sell this one. I'm not sure, but I may sell it. But today I need to kickstart the growth, the green. As you can see, little green spots in it from the dog. So I want to do a full green coverage with some fast release nitrogen. And today's product, let me carry it over to the garage and we'll check it out and I'll show you what it is. Okay, what we have here before we bust it open and see how big the prill size is, this is their Allett Fertilizer. It is their core 12, 8, 12, which means 12 nitrogen, 8 potassium, and 12 phosphorus. So this is a quick release, see here. So we're gonna have some quick release, 12 nitrogen, and also support the root system with the phosphorus, the potassium. And this is an 18-pound bag. It says it covers up to 5,000 square feet. But let's look at the back. I'm going to be covering about 4,300 square feet. As you guys know, my front is 4,300, and the low rate is 3.6 pounds of this product. That's the low rate, and then a high rate is 5 pounds. But since this 18-pound bag is I'm covering 4,300, I'm going to be putting it down about, I think, a little over 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So we'll be the middle, say a medium rate. And I'm doing this, I'm in a hurry because it is going to rain tonight, thankfully, because it's the only rain in the forecast, so I'm really hoping it rains. But it also has iron in it. I think 2% iron and a whole lot of micronutrients: sulfur, copper, manganese, and zinc. So it has all the good micronutrients in it. And of course we want to clean it up because it will stain your sidewalk, because it does have iron in it. And be sure to water it in, since it is a fast release nitrogen, and it is ammoniacal nitrogen. See down here, 12%, and of course the phosphorus 8, the potassium 12, and then we've got the sulfur, the iron. It's water soluble iron, it's 2%, copper, manganese, and zinc to round off the micronutrients. So we will pour this up and I will show you the particle size of it. You can tell by filling the bag, it is a very small particle size. So let's rip it open and pour it in my hopper. Hold on, before we put this out, before I dump it in the hopper, let's get a quick mow on with the 30H and then just relax and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, I just got in a nice mow with the Allett Buckingham. Looks pretty good considering it's only my second real mow of the season. I plan to, today's Tuesday before Memorial Day. This Memorial Day, I plan to get out here at the scarifier and get up all the brown you see in it. Because I haven't scarified it at all this season, so I'm going to scarify it. But first, we're going to put down some good fertilizer. We'll walk over here and we will cut this bag open of the Core 12-8-12. And we will take a look at it and see the prill size. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and learned a little something new about a new fertilizer. It just came out, I believe it came out this year or maybe late last year. But an empty hopper is a happy hopper. Just got it all thrown down. And again, this is the Tuesday before Memorial Day. So if I haven't, I guess, edited the video before, before it greens up good, I'll wait and I'll put some video at the end of it all greened up and we'll see how it looks. Kind of do a before and after. I mean, it is late. It's a little after 7 o'clock and the sun is already gone down, and plus it's a little overcast. So guys, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not, and go check out my website, sunnybermuda.com, and also bermudalawncalendar.com. It tells you a lot of tips and tricks to treat your yard every month. So guys, we hope you have a great day. All right guys, here we go. I just got a real mow in. It has been several days since I put down the Core 12-8-12, and I think it looks pretty good. The dark green pea spots are starting to fade. They're up there, so you can't really spot them anymore. Overall looking good, especially since I haven't scalped or scarified this season. You can still see the brown from the dormant, when it went dormant. Still in there. It hasn't decomposed, or I hadn't got it out with the scarifier and scalped it down. But overall, that Core did a really good job. Helped green it up really fast. So guys, see you in the next one.